All right, so we finally get all the way over to the watershed road, and the only way to get down is to go down the big dirt slide down to Boyle Creek, and you can hear Boyle Creek. It is flowing. So this is gonna be a little bit slower for me because you can see it's all covered in leaves. But normally I clear it out and then you guys do it totally. So you come all the way down this slide, and I'm gonna film my boy going down this thing. Hopefully a little bit faster than I'm going. And down, and down, and down. So yeah, 6th graders are a cause of massive erosion in this watershed. And there it is all the way up there. Go for it, Mal. You can just go on your butt if you want. That's it. The big mudslide dismount right down into Boyle Creek. And we can see our little creek is not, I mean, it's still a small creek, but where it was just a little trickle up above, it's now a properly flowing Boyle Creek as it meets this much bigger culvert to go underneath the watershed road and make its way down to town.